Welcome friends. Today we will see about the hard disk, WD hard disk data, WD hard disk, USB SATA lock unlock PCB conversions. Whenever we got the USB hard disk, there is a two type of USB hard disk. One is a lock, that is a lock with the firmware locks, and one is a without lock. So how to we have to convert that we will explain in this whole chapter. So normally hard disk has two type of locks, WD hard disk lock and encryption SMR hard drives. So these are the latest hard disk SMR drive, that is a USB hard disk, and one desktop hard disk also coming. So this is your USB hard disk, that is a Palmer, Spyglass 1, 2, 3 and charger, and another 2, 3 more hard disks are coming in this SMR drives. And another hard disk, there is a USB hard disk, no lock, just converted. This is an old one. Before 2-3 years there is a no lock systems, so there USB to SATA only we have to convert. There is a two type of hard disk, lock and without lock. That is a ROM lock. What is a lock we will explain you detail later on. There are two type of locks, so normal locks and without locks. So here are the hard disks. We can check here. This is your old models. This is your old models. We start, the PCB number is something like this, 20771460. It has a number conversion USB to SATA. You can convert this, already we have explained in our classes. The 77161 1761 equivalent is 1692. These are the equivalent PCB for USB without lock. But nowadays new PCB, that is number 8000384169, these PCBs are locked. So we have to convert to we have to unlock. For unlock we required external PCB, or another option there is new hard disk ROM unlock. These three options are coming nowadays. Okay, so this is your types of WD USB PCB, lock and without lock. Now WD hard disk lock and encrypted. Some are locked and some hard disk nowadays coming with the encrypted. If you change the USB PCB, original PCB, and connect another PCB, then it will be encrypted data will become. This is encrypted. The new SMR drives 2.5 hard disk. There are the family charger, Palmer, Spypel, Spyglass 2 and 3. These are there. And in WD desktop hard disk, there is a SMR drives like a Carmel, Apollo and Venisar, like this. So these are the normal PCBs what are coming in lock. For PCB unlock we required this PCB is lock in MCU and CPU, and the whole drive service area ROM is not accessible once the firmware is corrupted. User cannot access ROM and service area to repair, backup or head map or anything to recover the data. So to recover the lost data from this kind of locked hard drive with this PCB number, user need to access ROM and service area to repair, backup, head, map, anything you can do it. When we connect with the ROM lock PCB, it will not access ROM, it will not access ROM module, it will not access the service area. This error will come. Hard disk will come in detection, but it cannot access ROM module, service area module, anything. It will not give the access. To access this ROM module and these things, we want to buy or we want to unlock the ROM, then only it will access the data. Users not buy the common PCBs from new hard drive. Okay, users not buy PCBs. Normal PCB is not required. We required only unlock PCBs. In market you will get more PCB also, but we don't need PCB. User need to unlock PCB for that particular model, or now in the new update PC3000 DL5 we can unlock ROM. There is a two option. You can buy the unlock PCB, or you can make a patch of ROM unlock. You can unlock ROM directly, unlock patch will be there. For temporary it will be unlocked. For temporary unlock, that says the ROM unlock. After ROM unlock or user use unlock PCB, we can repair the firmware. But in some hard disks also have an encryption in the user data after converting USB to SATA. Encryption means the data is not shown original, it has been encrypted. So these also problems come. So in this condition we have to use the original USB. So in older model we are making a jumper like this, that is a USB to SATA. But if it is locked, the data will not access. But if it is unlocked, ROM is unlocked, then you can make a jumper like this, E71, 72, 73. Like this we are making, till now we are making jumper like this. Now this jig is available, which directly pin are connected with this PCB, and this PCB you can connect with the SATA. That is a jig. Or you can use MRT equalizer. This device you can use it. We can connect a jumper E71 to pin number 2, like that. E71 here to pin number 2, 3, 5, 6. This connection you can make. If it is unlocked, then only. If it is locked PCB, then first you have to unlock, then you can make a jumper like this. If you don't want to make a jumper, then you can buy this jig, which we will show in this video. Next, before that, if first time what will happen, we have to remove the ROM, we have to program it, then we have to unlock. But nowadays no ROM chip to be removed, because we have a pin like that, we can directly read through the programmer a ROM without removing it. But now a new equalizer, MRT equalizers, it doesn't require to remove the ROM, directly it will be unlocked on the PCB. If you don't want to solder the ROM, you can do. After swap ROM, user may backup all the firmware module first. First we have to backup all the modules, and in the new hard disk don't use the translator SMR, and a new hard disk remember not to format any SMR drives. This you have to remember. Okay. Next. These are the some WD unlock SATA PCBs photos. That is a 22 series, 41, 3 TB, 4 TB, charger, spyglass. These are the some sample photos. These are the PCB number. You can see the PCB number below. These are some demo of hard disk which has a lock. 65 PCB, 66 PCB. Okay. These are the PCB. Welcome friends. Before this one video we have seen, that is introduction about the USB to SATA, how we convert the USB to SATA, and what is a jumper and what is a jig. So here we will explain you WD hard disk USB to SATA and unlock PCB list with a compatible chart. So we have a mega compatible chart about the USB and MRT equalizer. So here we have explaining here, if you have a USB hard disk, which is the USB hard disk, that is important. So I will explain you one USB hard disk, what is the USB hard disk coming. This USB hard disk coming in the market, that is a My Passport, My Elements, and these hard disk. Inside this hard disk there is a small USB hard disk PCB is coming. So this hard disk in the market coming, which has a PCB number 80067, 80067 or 63 has a USB PCB and it is a lock. So we required unlock PCB. This is your unlock PCB, that is a 65, or MRT equalizer you can use 67, and on 3 you can use 03. This is MRT equalizer you can use. When we program, it's give me the message that how many size of the ROM. So you can give the right size is 1024, and it is hard disk family called charger, and it is a 2.5 inch hard disk, and model number will be like this. So this is first charger family. Mainly in this new hard disk they are coming with the encryption. Encryption is coming on the charger and spyglass. Older before 1-2 years it will be not encrypted, but now it is coming with the encryption. So very hard. Mostly this case is coming charger. The charger is the first option about the data recovery. So for that we required the MRT equalizers. We required 67 number. So this is mostly demanded PCB jig. What is a jig? That I will show you in a minute. MRT has introduced these jigs. See, this is jig coming with the MRT box with the full good packing and screws and everything they have provided with this device. And this is one for 67, 11. These are the different. In the market they are available 67, 41, 12, 03, 69 and 35, 33 and 67. These are the MRT equalizer MRT is selling, MRT lab. So what is a requirement? The first is the charger. You can see the charger. I have explained the charger about that. Then second important is a Palmer. You can check the Palmer USB PCB will be like 69. You can search on the internet also, or 800066 or 68. These three is equivalent is 66 unlock PCB. You can use an unlock PCB 66. If you don't want to unlock PCB, you can unlock the ROM, or you can use this MRT 69 number PCB for equalizer. When we unlock the ROM size, it will we can use 1024 ROM size, and its family is Palmer 2.5 inch. Second is a Spyglass 1, 2, 3 like that models are there, which has an PCB of 800041 USB. We will use a unlock PCB for that, and 800022, or MRT equalizer you use the number 800041. And here ROM size is 512 and it is a 2.5, and it used in different models, 2 TB, 4 TB, 4 TB and 3, 4, 5 TB like that. This is your Spyglass. Spyglass has different version, Spyglass 1, Spyglass 2 and Spyglass 3. So there is 1, 2, 3 models are now coming. Latest models Spyglass 3 is also coming encryption. So that is an USB is 810035 and unlock PCB is also 35, and MRT equalizer number is also 35. Its size is 512. It's also 2.5 inch. Next in the desktop, when we go on desktop, this is your desktop. Desktop means computer hard disk. It already come with the SATA, and if you cannot unlock, you can use the unlock PCB. But now ROM unlock, directly you can do the ROM unlock. Here no required of the equalizer, because equalizer used in only USB. So you can directly ROM unlock, or you can use the unlock PCB if you don't want to unlock the ROM. Its ROM side is 104. Its model number is Carmel or Apollo. Carmel and Apollo, it's 3.5 is and is WD20 model. So this is another model. Next we will go, some more model is coming, that is a Vanisher. Vanisher is also there, that is a PURZ. Its model number is 11, 810011 like that. It is also 1 MB. And another some PCB is also coming, 800038, 8100 SATA. 810033 has an MRT, has an equalizer. 12 also have an equalizer, and 81003 also have an equalizer. And new latest 81051, these also PCB is coming in the market. Okay, so this is the introduction of PCB, and PCB is in a very good quality, and it has a good packing and everything is good. So if you are an expert in this is an advanced level data recovery. If you have a MRT, you can use this device also. If you don't have MRT, then you can use the unlock PCB, PC3000 DFL. You can start doing data recovery. Okay, thank you. These parcel come from China MRT. We are unboxing the device. We have ordered MRT Ultra high speed terminal. This is high speed terminal, and some USB to SATA converter. This is USB to SATA device. This is high speed terminal cable, and this is your USB to SATA cables. This is cable for these boxes. This is per box, there is a high speed. This is 800041. They have given the pin also. we have to insert the pin, and this box is coming like this. बस सब लाइन से रख दो, फिर देखते हैं सब खोल के क्या होता है इसके अंदर. This is your 80041. So, this is all the MRT data recovery lab, MRT SATA signal equalizer. This is for different models are there. Here you can see 81003, 80041, 80067, 810012, or these are the 800069. This is 67 is repeated. 67 cut out. These all are the 67. 67 is repeated. We ordered 67 4 or 5 piece only, so it is 67 is repeated. So normally they have sent us 800067. This is 800067. This is your 8000 81003 series. This is 800041, 810012, and 800069. These are the models. Normally unique 5 items are there. So 5 models we have bring. Normally in a normal users use only 67 more, or maybe 41 or 35. 35 is not there, 41 and 67 is there. Okay, so we will show you how to open single box and how to connect each device. So this is how we have ordered and it has been done. We will show 800067 series. We will show you one device. The whole box containing here. It has with the manual also. This is your manual. How to use manual with the device. This is your manual about how to do it in China, and this is in English. You can see the manual how to use this device. Second, it is with the screw is there. It has been devices here. We have to remove it. For the safety, they have make a good packing, so it will be not damage in the transportation. There is a top and bottom 2 PCBs are there. We will open the screws. See, this is two part 1, that is a layer, bottom layer, that is a part 1, and this is a top layer, part 2. This is only come for the safety, because the pin will not bend. The pin not bend, so this is only bottom is come only for the protection, so that our pin will not be damaged. So this pin come with the protection. You can see it has only for the base pin are only for the protection. Main we have this device, and this device contain, we have to make a care when we open it. Here you can see it is a very small pins. If it will be damaged, then there will be a problem. so don't touch with this. And for the protection they have given me this safety protection base, so when it is not used we have to put here, it will be safely here. So this is 67 pin, this is 67. Now we will show you how to use this device. Okay. Also given extra, you can see this we have to connect on the motherboard. This all the device they have given extra 2 big, 4 bigs and 4 smalls, depend on your PCB. So this is for difference connecting on motherboard. We will show you how to connect on the motherboard, then you can use it. Like this, everyone has some same thing. Very good packing and very good material. Here also you can see everyone has same, an extra pin also they have given. If it is broken, that is a pogo pin, they have given me the pogo pin also. And this is your USB cable. We have to connect the USB cable here and SATA cable here after connecting on the motherboard. So this will work for the terminal, ROM read and ROM write. We will use this. This is a C panel, C connector. So very easy. You can cross, multi-cross also you can, it is be easy. Okay. Okay, this is our charger hard disk for 800067 PCB. We will remove the screw of the PCB first. This is USB PCB and it is encryption to read the ROM and to unlock the ROM and read the data as a SATA. We will convert to USB to SATA. So first is the notch. There is a 2 clip. You have seen in the MRT videos, there is a 2 big clips. 2 big clips are on the hole and 2 smalls they are in the these 2 small, then 1 big. Big is on the screw hole. Then another 2 screws. This is too big for top screws and this is for panel. So this is too big and 4 small. Now we will open the PCB base. See, for the protection they have put the bottom PCB. For the protection they have put the bottom PCB so that the pin will be not bent. This is very thin pin. So for the protection they have put these things only for the protection purpose. This is for protection purpose, and this is main our PCB. So we will connect a PCB direct. So first we will connect the contact of each 2RX 2TX. You will see there is any tap or something here. You have to see the contacts to be clean, so these contacts will fit here. So we have to clean the contact if there is any flux or any dust will be there. So here your contacts will be clean, or we can clean with the isopropyl or something, the pad, so that this pad will contact here. See, it is a very tight. Then we will over tight the top two big screws. We will put these two big screws, that is also given with the box. There is totally 4 big and 4 small. So one is a bottom, one is a top. Now it is connected properly. You can check it is connected properly, and the pin is connected on the board. So here they have given the 4 pin for E71, 72, 73 and 75, and 2 for short pin. So these are, and the power pin. COM port connection also given here. After this we will connect with the software. So we can download the software from the internet. So first we will go on its website en.mrtlab.com. There they have given the website. This is a software that you can download from internet. That is an MRT change signal version 3.6. So we will open this, then we will connect the USB cable. That is through the USB cable we will connect, and we will give the SATA cable and power cable, both power and SATA. With the MRT channel 0, we have connected on MRT channel 0 with USB cable. Now we will start the run. We will see the COM port where we have connected our device. We will go on if you cannot find, you go to device manager and find where we have connected the driver. You can check here COM port, that is a USB serial, that is a COM3. After setup driver, you can download the driver, this of firmware and driver from the website. This is your websites, en.mrtlab.com. Here you are downloading the software. In the 4th option they have added these things, MRT SATA signal equalizer. So from here you have to take one driver and software, both. That is driver and MRT change signal software, both. This they have added now. Before that only 3 softwares are there, but now it is MRT SATA signal equalizer driver. From you can download from here. Okay, so you can download from here. Next, we already downloaded and set up, and it is on COM3. So first of all we will power on off. So it will on, and this is green, and it's reading size we have to finalize. We know the read write ROM size. It is a 1024. We have a chart. From there we will find the size. Then we will start read. SPI. From 0 to 1M size to be read, but here SPI setting is there. Translate. It start reading ROM. Just now in this software the Chinese message is coming, but it's reading. Two message come, then it start reading the device. After reading, you can see the dump of the ROM has been read. This is a dump of this charger hard disk read perfectly. Now we have to unlock the ROM. We are again saving the file. Load. It asks me to save the ROM. We create one more folder. Charger. Charger or invert number. Okay, and we will save here, same as a ROM. We will go to that location and see the ROM is saved or not. Here it has been saved. The ROM has been saved. It is a 1 MB file, 1024 KB. Now we will unlock this ROM on the same portions with the help of MRT utility. We will go on ROM, create unlock ROM from the file. Okay. We'll go to desktop, charger 5750, and here is the ROM we have file. So we have opened the ROM and we have unlocked the ROM patch. It has been unlocked. Now one more ROM has been created. Its name is unlock ROM this file. So we will write this unlock ROM again to our ROM. So we will again open file. Then we will take the unlock ROM, same unlock ROM. Then we will go to open and then we will write it. So my unlock ROM will write again to the hard disk. This is Chinese language. Okay. It is size 1024. Okay. And it will start writing the data. You can see it is start writing the hard disk. When you unlock it, then it is reading these informations. Till there it will not read the informations. अभी अपने इसको ऑटो डिटेक्ट पावर ऑन नहीं कराना है. So without ROM unlock, you cannot access the ROM, RAM, module, everything. You cannot access the data. So the ROM unlock need to access the firmware or ROM or something you can access. You can compare both the ROM. It will be changed. The patch of unlock it has been made on the ROM change. It is easy to not to remove the chip from the PCB. It has been success. Okay, done. Now we will close MRT change signal version 3.6. We power off the port, then we will close this software sorry.
Today, our main focus is on introducing the Western Digital USB to SATA Signal Equalizer, officially launched by MRT. In simpler terms, it can be understood as a probe board with signal amplification. For this demonstration, we will be using the probe board designed for the Western Digital 800067. Let's begin by looking at how to install this probe board. To ensure convenience, we have prepared 3 types of screws. The thinner screws are guide pillar screws, used to calibrate the position of the probe. There are 2 types of thicker screws. One is used to secure the probe board in the slots on the circuit board, while the other, with a longer screw shaft, is used for overall fixation. Now, let's proceed with the installation of the probe board. Ensure that the holes for the guide pillars are properly aligned. For securing the probe board, tighten the screws just enough without excessive force. Once the probe board is installed, you can connect the data and power cables to begin repairing the disk. You might be curious about the Type-C interface present on the board and when it needs to be connected. Functionally, it serves as a programming interface with two key purposes. Firstly, it enables the reading and writing of data from the ROM chip, facilitating firmware unlocking operations on the hard drive. Secondly, this interface allows for the adjustment of the hard drive signal gain, ensuring more stable and faster data retrieval. Now, let's connect all the cables and proceed with a demonstration of the software side operation. We have separately configured a supplementary program encompassing ROM read/write functionality in gain adjustment settings. Firstly, we need to select the COM port. In this case, the Type-C port is recognized as COM5 in the device manager. Clicking the refresh button will display the available COM ports, and we can select COM5. Next, click the connect button. Since the drive is not yet unlocked, we need to begin by reading the original ROM. Before doing so, ensure that the ROM read/write power switch is turned on. Let's start by reading 32 kilobytes to verify proper communication. The readout is successful without any issues. The ROM data for the 800067 drive is 1 megabyte, so let's proceed with reading 1 megabyte. After a successful read, let's save the original ROM. We can then utilize MRT's unlocking function to unlock the original ROM. Once the unlocking ROM is generated, we can write the unlocking data to the ROM chip using the software. After completing the ROM data read/write, it's important to turn off the ROM read/write power switch, allowing the probe board to revert to normal data transmission mode. There is one more important thing to keep in mind when using the probe board for data reading. With the current version, it is advisable to use SATA 2 mode. You can find the mode selection option in the Tools menu on the main interface. Simply click on Transmission and Reset for SATA controller to adjust the mode for each individual port in MRT. By default, the mode is set to SATA 3. Now, let's switch the transmission mode from SATA 3 to SATA 2 for... At this point, powering on the hard drive will enable access to the firmware information. First, let's create a backup of the firmware. Enter the DE module and create a copy task. We'll select VHDX as the destination for data copying. Once the task is established, perform head mapping on the hard drive to generate a head bitmap. Next, attempt to expand the hard drive's partition table. The partition table successfully expands, allowing us to mark the valid data. After completing the marking process, we can initiate the copy operation. Currently, the drive is using PIO mode with a sector size of 32. The copying speed is averaging around 30 megabytes per second, providing a stable performance. Now, let's increase the speed and test if the drive can still maintain a stable read operation. Switching the read mode from PIO to SATA high speed and changing the sector size to 2016 sets the drive to the highest read speed configuration. With this setting, the average read speed reaches around 65 megabytes per second. This speed allows for completing the data mirroring process within a day.
After ROM write, we will go to here and we will connect to tools and then we will go to standby reset speed. In that we will go transmitter and reset for SATA controller. In that SATA controller we will connect in hard disk in connect in ATS0 mode. In ATS0 mode we will connect ATS0 mode, that is a SATA port, and the power we will connect in SATA port 1. ATS0 we have connected hard disk on ATS0, but the power we will give a SATA 1. In that we will connect ATS0. So it will be busy, then DRT DSC will come. After auto detect it will start working. Now you can see the family has been shown, and when we go to auto check it will select the charger family. We will go OK. After charger family we can give re-identify the device. It will detect me the ROM, RAM, everything it is showing after unlocking. So we will back up all the resources in this hard disk because it is now unlocked, so we can back up all the resources. Now its RAM, ROM, everything is showing. So now we will back up all the module and resources. Now you can repair whatever you want to repair. We can go on repairing option. First we will make a backup of all the resources. So we will go backup all resources. Before ROM unlock we cannot do. Now we can unlock. After unlock we can do the backup of all the resources and modules and all those things. So if you want to repair anything, we have to first backup all the modules. So in this charger family we have to first unlock, then we can go ahead. There are some modules corrupted, but no need of these modules. Main modules we have a 190 modules. It will take time in 190 modules because it is a SMR drives, and SMR drives will take time. So we have speed up the video. So it take 190. It will take lots of time because it is a very big file. We wait. We have speed up the video, but as every SMR drives 190 module is very big, so it take time to read 190 module. So first of all we have to unlock the ROM through the equalizers, then we can access the firmware. There is old technologies also. You can use the unlock PCB also if you have. Now 190 read and other modules also read. After all reading completed, saving ROM and everything has been completed. We can check all the ROM modules have been read. OK. Now we can access the logical scan. If there any bad setters or firmware except, we can repair it, and then we can image it after repairing the firmware. And now logical scan will work before ROM unlock also, but after that also you can access. Now we will go on Data Explorer and we can recover. We can see the user sector viewer also. Now it is no encryption, but if you convert to SATA or USB to SATA, it will be encrypted. Now it is not encrypted. So boot sector and all users we can see it. So this is the process of how to unlock the ROM. Now we will go in Data Explorer, then we will see the data is there coming or not. We can make a head map also after unlocking. All those process we can do after unlocking. So this is the process of how to unlock the PCB, charger, Palmer, Spiegels, all have the same facility. But we have to remember only one thing. As per 3 videos we have shown the different videos. We have to select like this. We are making data image, data copy. We will show the structure. Image bana. Now we can make an image. If you not want to copy, we can make an image also, and we can make a now head map also. Before unlock we cannot make a head map, so here we can make an head map also from service area head map. We will try on another option also. If 190 OK, it will make through 190 or other file. You can see that we have made the head map of 4 head. Now if any one head damage, we can recover through the other head also. This is the process. This already you know about using MRT, so no need of these things. You want to know only how to unlock the ROM through the equalizers. Okay, if any head issue, you can disable the head. So this is the process how we can use the equalizers to unlock the PCB. Okay, thank you.